Dino and Harrys.
Maybe.
Real. Being updated by pacifiers here at 11th Garden now. Physical up in the area.
What?
What is it? What is this?
Your car is told that you're not needed there, please make your way.
No, but he just said 11th Garden.
Garden goes this way, but
No, but what's going on?
it's getting physical.
Where?
11th and Garden.
So
Wait.
Alright, update for the unit, just going to Dino and Harrys. Now it's a physical fight outside. Supposedly 1 male's away in the street. That's for 911.
Dino and Harrys is 14.
Yeah.
Take a left.
Anything else? Go ahead. Get me a rig as well.
3, 2, we're 20.
Beautiful. 14th Street on the outside. You gotta check one out.
Yep.
Video scene.
It's alright.
I need my napkin.
Wait,
Alright, why
alright.
don't you go ahead?
Yeah, lean against this pole.
I want to make
No,
sure
lean
that
against the pole.
I'm going.
Okay. Lean.
As I do that,
Just sit right here.
please watch that
Alright,
extra
sit
make sure the old guy with no hair leaves that way.
We have another cup in there.
Stand right here.
Yeah.
Stop moving for a second.
Can I please have a napkin?
Wait, sir, you're
I
bleeding
did not
and
mean
you're
to
spitting.
I know that I'm spitting my face because the guy fucking hit me in my face.
Where?
My nose. I'm not sure what split. I was not even eating here. I came here to get my friends.
Yeah. Okay.
So, and they will corroborate my story. Right now, my phone is broken because they slapped it out of my hand. I need something to stop bleeding.
No, we understand.
Stay right.
I can go over there and step up and get an half myself.
No,
because,
no, no, no,
I'm
we're
sorry
gonna-
to be disrespectful, but I need something right now in my face.
So, we understand.
I'm pulling it out for you right now. Just stop moving. Are you did you drink tonight? Because you're wobbling everywhere. I don't want you to fall.
I'm wobbling because it got hit in the face by the owner of this bar,
Okay.
and then the second person owns it. So,
Yeah. What happened?
if you wouldn't mind, can you please hold this 1 second?
No, she doesn't have gloves on.
I
Hold
want
on.
to
Here,
hold this so I can take my
Here.
shirt off and get my
Hold on.
leg
Let me
beater.
put my
Wait, we
gloves
have
on because you're
something.
bleeding and I don't want to get...
here. There you go.
I'm asking you to hold my north face.
You
Sir,
can put it on the ground, sir.
So, just to be clear, taking off my north face and my shirt
Why?
because I would like to get something to stop bleeding
that's what we're trying to get for you.
here. And I'm going to change my shirt back on.
Okay, so I'm gonna put your gloves away then if he's gonna use his shirt.
No, I'll just use my shirt since you guys don't give a fuck about what's going on here. I did
What's your name?
absolutely
What's your
nothing.
name? What's your name?
My name is, I got fucked here at this bar. My name is James
He's saying
Foley.
somebody in the bar.
F-O-L-E-Y.
Okay.
38 years
So we
old.
have a
My
hospital-
lip is
so we
still
have an
bleeding.
ambulance coming
I'm not
for you?
going to the hospital.
No,
It's fine, you don't
I
have
have
to.
no health
Bro,
insurance
step
right
back
now.
because he's spitting the blood.
That's good, but I'm going to use my
Why don't you
shirt.
sit down for a second?
Here.
All right.
So,
no, well, you
we're
can't
gonna ask you to stop walking away.
Sit down.
I want to
Sit
make
down.
sure.
That's fine. Sit down. We're gonna do our job. Sit down.
I'm sorry.
Have a seat. Have a
know-
seat.
I
We don't.
know
No.
my-
You just got punched in the face. Have a
I
seat.
know my rights. I do not
Yeah,
have to sit down.
That's fine. We're asking you for your safety. You just got
I'm
hit
standing.
until we are
I
sure.
got my lip split. I've had
Okay.
worse things happen
Well, that's
to me.
coming from your nose, so sit down.
Is it coming from my nose as well?
Yes, sit down.
I will
Please,
identify the owner of this bar
Sir.
that hit me in the
So,
face.
Listen
why
to
did
me.
you guys? Why did you guys?
I'm asking you nicely to please sit down until we get an ambulance to check you out. And we're gonna listen to your side of the story while you're sitting down. But we don't need you to fall. So we're asking nicely if you could sit down, please.
Can we make a very small and agreeable? I don't know what the word is, but
Just go ahead.
I will sit down right now.
Uh-huh.
Call my friend who's inside it.
We have two officers
His
inside.
name is George.
George. Okay.
George and Casey are inside. I gave you his number
Okay.
right now. He's afraid because he just, I don't know why he's left me, but he's left me right
Okay.
now.
Okay, we have two
You got
officers
that?
inside.
We'll do that. Take a seat so we can finish talking.
George, I will sit down right
I'm
now.
gonna write it down for you. Take a sit down.
Do me a favor, close your eyes because I don't want this to shine in your eyes. Take that away so I can see.
Is it in my nose as well? My
Let me
lip,
smile. Let me see your teeth.
my lip
Stick out your
split.
tongue.
My lip,
I don't know where it's coming from. Your mouth.
my lip my lip is split in the middle, and my nose is maybe bleeding.
Your lip's not split.
Where's it bleeding from?
Do me a favor, flip your lip up.
I can't fucking look at my phone
Flip
because
your lip up.
shit got fucked. You fucked my
Sorry.
phone.
Listen to me.
I mean, I listen to you.
Your phone is
trying,
secondary to
I'm
what?
trying to turn it off.
Okay, just put it down. Flip your lip so I can
Blood
see your
everywhere.
Top. Flip your lip, the top lip. Flip it up so I can see. Yeah.
It
Let me see the
hurts.
bottom.
The bottom is fine. I can tell you now.
No teeth feel loose?
No, only my top teeth are not my top teeth out.
Let me see. No, they're still there. Just,
I know they're there, but they don't feel right.
they're loose? They're wiggly? Okay.
James.
Please go inside.
They have
Please
to-
go inside and find my friend George and Casey.
Listen to me one more time. We have 2 police officers in there. Do you understand?
The owner of this bar, he's about 5.
James.
You want me to not talk?
Yes. Let me ask you some questions.
Please
and
do.
those, okay? Were you
Take
meeting
pictures
here?
of me
Were
right
you
now.
meeting here tonight?
No.
Okay, so your friends are here tonight.
Yes.
You were with your friends at one point and they left you to go here?
I arrived here around.
So you did come to Dino and Harrys for dinner?
I arrived here around 8:35
Okay.
to meet my friends.
Okay.
2 of my friends, George and Casey, were at the bar. The whole place was packed,
Okay.
and there was no place for me. I've already had dinner before I came here. Are you guys recording this?
No, I'm trying
Yeah,
to take a
this is
picture.
my
But
body
I'm going to wait for you to...
Good.
Oh, well, the body
That's
yeah.
recording?
This right here.
So I look into that.
Go ahead.
Let me
You're
see.
not-
Flip your lips so I can take a picture of it. No, the top,
My
top,
rod
top,
is
top.
fine. Something is fucked right here.
And then put it down. Or just look at me.
I need something.
You're sure? You hide your
blood.
shirt?
I've got blood all over myself. Where is this motherfucker?
If you don't...
I'm sorry. Where is he? Where is the guy? It's him right there that owns the bar. This guy right there that's drinking. No,
Didn't they tell you to stop?
I'm
They
gonna
told you to
stop.
stop.
I'm not
They
gonna
didn't tell you to
stop.
stop.
I
They told you to
apologize.
stop. You're gonna put me in
Don't do
contact.
that. Because I'm here disorderly.
I apologize. I apologize.
That doesn't matter now.
I'm being disorderly because that guy hit me.
Sit down.
Stop moving.
You're gonna push me down?
Yes.
Are you
You are
fucking
injured.
kidding me?
We are trying to keep you safe.
I'm injured and the guy that hurt me is in there.
Let's go.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Listen to me. We're gonna let you go.
Where are you over? I'm not going to the hospital. Yo! George! Yo! You're not taking me to the hospital. Yo! Come on!
They told you
It's
to
not
stop.
happening. Fuck, dude, I didn't do anything. I can't. I'm breathing.
Stop talking.
George, come on, dude. What the fuck? This is not happening. Why? First of all, my shit's over
We
there.
will grab it for you. I'll grab it for you. Sit down.
Why are you putting it? I was fucking assaulted. I was assaulted. I was assaulted. You're hurting me.
So get in!
You're hurting me.
Lock him up. Hoboken's finest.
Sorry.
Video and seeing some of this shit we come out, pretty simple.
Here.
Yeah, blood on my face.
He's spitting on both of us. Yeah. All right up.
Where's my
Carolina?
phone? I did nothing. What is my charge? What is my charge? What
He
have
spit
I
blood on
done?
me
Why
and
am I
Rose's
being
face.
detained?
Spit blood
Where
on me
are
and
you
Rose's face.
taking me? What have I done? Where is my property? Where is my property? I've done
Seper
nothing
apologize.
wrong. These people
Stay
are
with Seper
fucking
apologize.
degenerate.
They were separate.
Excuse me, sir. Driving. What is your name?
Rose.
Sergeant Jason
Rose.
Falco.
Call it out that we both
Why
have
am
blood
I
on our
being
face.
detained for being
they can
assaulted?
log
I've
it.
done nothing.
Yeah.
You're being
Both.
drunken and disorderly.
I'm
you alright?
I'm not drunk or disorderly. I've been fucking assaulted. I'm bleeding in my face. Are you kidding me? You guys are going to be so fucked right now. I'm not going to play the card, but every single one of you, when I get my father's attorney involved, I did nothing. I went to meet my friends. I did nothing. You're fucking, the guy that owns that bar started hitting me for no reason. I told him it was okay. I said he was having a bad day. I said just let it go. And then he kept
starting mileage is
I
526.
said the wrong word. What are you doing?
55264.7.
Why are you taking me places? Where's my cell phone, my keys? I only have one set of keys. What are you doing? How much do they pay you? How much do they pay you? I've done nothing. Breathalyze me right now. Pull over the car. Right now, I see the time. It's 10:03. Pull the car over right now and breathalyze me. For every second that you take longer to breathalyze me right now to see whether or not I'm intoxicated, which quite frankly has no bearing on this conversation because I used to like going to Dino and Harrys. Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck? What is your how much does he pay you? How much does he pay you? All right, how about this? Let me put it this way. Trying to remember a good joke for you guys. Chicken crossed the road with a big fat tank of propane. Why was it going that way? What, you can answer that? It's a bad one.
You got mine too.
You
got mine?
You guys just programmed to
Phone?
not respond. My fucking
That what you gave me?
Yeah.
my lip is bleeding right now because the owner of the bar, this fucking 75 years old, punched me in the face for no fucking reason. What are you
If the
doing?
walking guys are available, can you have them meet us in front of headquarters?
Fuck!
Absolutely. 27. 27 got a direct when we get away from that box.
You guys have what of my property do you have in mind right now? This will go on record. Do you have my cell phone and my wallet that you took from me? My cell phone and my wallet, what do you have for me? Oh, I understand now. You're not able to speak to me at all. What kind of songs do you guys like that? Irish songs, Jewish songs, Coldplay. 107.5 is good, but 105.3 is the best. Yeah, are you kidding me? How much do they pay you, guy? I've done nothing. I've done fucking nothing. I was at the bar to meet my friends to leave. My car was parked in a different spot. Now I'm gonna get fucking towed. The guy punched me in the fucking back of my head and my lip is bleeding. And now you take me under arrest? You want to see what's gonna happen after this? Seriously, I'm still bleeding. Can you give me a fucking napkin? Officer driving, what is your badge?
That's 10.
I'm sorry. I feel like if you had more confidence, you could probably speak up and actually say the number. 1005? 10 what? What's your badge number, sir?
That's 10.
What?
That's 10.
Ass in 10? Like, drop the ass, put up 10? I don't get it. I don't understand. Where's my phone? Where are my keys? Why are you detaining me? You know what's gonna happen here? This is gonna be very bad for you guys in this town. I have a personal recording device right now in my pocket. It's a pen streaming to the cloud. And you know what's gonna happen? Whatever you guys want to happen. But tomorrow morning when I wake up, you know what's gonna happen? My GPS coordinates. Your voice only, thankfully we missed this in the passenger suite, is not going to know. I committed no crime. I was assaulted, and you are protecting this degenerate, fucking, completely drunk asshole, and I will find everyone that was there, and they will agree with me that he fucking abused me. I did nothing. I'm sorry that my voice... My only fault is that I'm angry and my voice is fucking raised. So take me inside, put me in the fucking cage, and you guys will see what happens. I will know your face. I will know her face. She is sitting the most patient. You guys put these cuffs so tight over me, I can't put my feet underneath them. Not that I've ever even tried to do it before. I know it's going on. And you know what? I encourage you to continue this behavior because the longer this goes on, the more money I will make in my future. I'm sorry, I'm coming to myself there.
Ending mileage is 55265.8.
Right side or wait for you? Can I open the door? Open it?
No.
I can't? I'm just going to check for myself. I did nothing there. I'm here for one day only. What is wrong with you? Go ahead and open it. Go ahead and open it. You want to grab it now?
You want to come out?
I do. I like to do it on my own time.
What?
I'm guiding you. You're guiding me? Yep. How did you guide me with my face? I want pictures taken my face. I don't answer people carrying me. I'm not.
You don't know what to do.
I don't tell you what to do. You know what?
That way. Let's go. That way.
I'm not pushing you to anybody.
It would behoove you not to, sir.
You got it? Razzie?
Oh, you're gonna push me again? Why? I'm not causing any problems. Do that. If you wouldn't mind buffering me well. You guys have no clue what's going to happen to you. You gotta have my hand.
Yeah. Well, no, I'm not just taking
If you want, you can put one or two of your fingers in my butt, too.
That's completely inappropriate. Yep.
I know it's inappropriate, but all of this is equal.
Spit fucking blood in my face and her face. Yeah.
Once we uncuff you, both your hands.
I promise you that. Go ahead.
I'm gonna move you
Everything
down.
in my pocket. Make sure you search under my butt.
Spit's on you, it's gonna be up.
Or you can get one pocket already.
We're not done.
I got one that's so in there, so good that when I see you guys for nothing, that my friend gets the whole thing uncounted. Inside, am I bleeding right now? May I ask you? I'm bleeding right now.
You are.
I am bleeding right now.
We're gonna get you
because
an ambulance.
I'm not going to the ambulance. I will not pay for an ambulance. They do not have insurance right
Like we
now.
said, once we uncuff you, put your hand on the wall, all right?
Well, you searched them, correct?
Yeah.
So sit right down.
Are you sure that you got me all the way?
No, no. Put his hand on the wall. Put this hand on the wall when you're done.
Well,
No, we need to
He wants. You're
He's
hurting
gotta
me.
get patted down.
You're hurting me.
again?
Yeah.
Ow!
It's all right.
It hurts.
What hurts? Because we're not doing
You're pushing my wrist in the opposite direction, 45 degrees. You have no right to do that. I present no threat to you. I presented no
Stop
threat to you
moving.
right now. You're reviewing this
Stop
right now.
Oh, man,
I'm
stop
not moving.
Good.
I'm not moving.
Good.
Would you like my hands
Sit down,
up
just pat it
further,
down.
or you want them right here?
We got them right there.
I will put my legs as far away. Go ahead. Make sure you get into my butt, because I like to put stuff in there. You have to go underneath the pants. You're missing it. No. Make down the butt crack with your bare hands.
Have a seat.
No, I promise you, I've got a razor blade inside my butt.
Turn around and have a
Take a
seat.
You want me to turn around so you see it?
Take a seat.
Yep.
on the-
I'm
Yeah.
telling you right
Do
now.
not put your
Why
hand in the
are
fist,
you
because your
hurting
hand's
me?
in the fist. Take a seat now.
You're
Right there.
hurting me.
I don't care that. I'm
Very
hurting
good.
You
Take a
don't
seat.
care?
No, I don't.
No.
This is very good.
Okay.
This is gonna be very
What the
good.
things are when she activated.
I nothing. I went to meet my friends at a place.